Hello. Ree thinks I'm really stupid because I'm vlogging. Because it is thundering and lightning outside, and if you know me, you know I don't like it. At all. Like, it is horrendous.
Oh my gosh.
It doesn't look like it is, though.
Yellow warnings of thunder.
It doesn't look like... In the backdrop of this video, it does not look like it's that. But if I showed you... See, look. I'm not opening the window or going any closer because I am terrified. I'm shaking because I don't know what I'm just going to do. This is what I mean. See? Look, do you see that? Yeah, good. You've seen it. Ooh, sugar me. Damn it, I've left the basically thingy over that. Oh, it's lying.
And it's like baby thunder.
Yeah, but I was just showing them out the window and it lit like the sky, and I was like, eh. I know it is. I mean, this is good for me. This is good for me because I actually went near the window, which is something that I would not in a billion years do because I am terrified that's going to blast me. Ugh. It's not even like it's not even rational, I know, but it's tough. Anyway. It's I'm really annoyed that I can't, like, you can't see it in that window there. See Becca's leg. Can't see anything else of it though. That's good. Anything else I wanted to say to you as well. I had a really good idea. Well, Becca doesn't think it's a good idea, but I thought it was a great idea earlier. I said about making up a YouTube channel, like for like us, the both of us, like me and Becca. But she's not down for that. She's like, I don't even like being in your videos. Sound a bloody forced her, I didn't. Force her, she said she didn't mind, so I did it. Oh, I didn't need to do that then. But yeah, anyway, so I thought that was a great idea, but I really did not.
Your family. Yes, I am.
So,
I would make fun of my laugh if I was you.
She's like,
Well, we were friends.
ouch. We are friends. Let's wrap that. We are sisters. Although, who wants to be sisters with a pussy? Although we are going to America, so I suppose I am going to have to get used to it because...
There are thunderstorms all the time.
Exactly. As long as there's not one when I'm on a ride, because I am not going to be happy about going on that ride.
They tend to be open when there's thunder and lightning.
Oh, good. Good. That makes me feel better. Usually, like I promise you, usually... the lights are all off, the electrics are all off, and I'm literally sat on the floor away from the window.
Oh, babykins, are you scared?
It's a kitty.
He's like, nope,
He's so beautiful. The window's open.
Is it? Did you leave it open?
I did by mistake. I left it open by mistake because it
Dumbass!
because it lit. And
What, you ran?
yeah. Well, am I worse? It's better than I'm doing better now than what I usually do. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, look at him, beautiful.
Look, he's so beautiful. I love him.
I just vlogged the kitty cat. Morning. Welcome back to me vlogs. It really cringes Rebecca out when I say that. So I've been trying not to, but I mean, that was gross. So, kind of did that by accident. Anyway, what was I saying? I can't remember. I'm in a really good mood today for whatever reason. It has just taken me like a year to get up the stairs. I'm just gonna have a really quick shower. Gonna sort out my eyebrows, so you're probably gonna see me with red eyebrows the next time you see me. This is what I'm wearing today. I am wearing pants. It was thundering last night, so I'm really worried about wearing this outfit, but you know, it's one of them things, isn't it? But it seems to be really nice. If I show you out the window, it is lovely. That failed. Anyway, I am going to quickly get in the shower. What did I go in there for? Oh yeah, I needed stuff. And then I'll check back in with you in a moment. I can't find my... Oh, I bought these. They're really cute, aren't they? They're so cute. Where else did I buy? I think I took everything else out. Anyway, I came in here because I wanted to find my... Oh, I found my Hastings pen. Because I wanted to find my, oh, what's it called? Tripod. That's what I wanted to find. But it's not in there, so I'm just going to close that and leave it like that until... Ouch, my nail got stuck. Until a couple of days or weeks or whatever. They're all clean, so it's not like they're dirty. I wouldn't keep them in there if they were dirty. But I just think... excuse that lighting for a second. I just think that if you've got no room for it, then... I don't know. If you've got no room for it, then there's no need to get it all out. Because it's fine in there. Isn't it? Or am I just a tramp? I don't think I'm a tramp though. That's not really trampy though, is it? Leaving clean washing in there. Well, it's not washing if it's clean, but you know what I mean. Anyway. Oh my god, I dropped it again. I am going to go into the shower, which I've said about 33 million zillion times. That really cringes me out up there. Look, it really cringes me out. It's nearly opened. Yeah. I would freak if that opened right at that second. I would freak. I would be in that bathroom quicker than Usain Bolt. What was I doing? No, I know what I'm doing. What am I talking about? I'm just talking rubbish. This is going to be highly edited. I'm not going to lie. But, oh, especially that lighting. Gee whiz. Because I just talk rubbish. So this is going to be highly edited. Yeah. Do you know, I'm such a bad vlogger that I always hold it like there. So you can just see my face. Rather than here, so you can see, like, me. But if I hold it like that, my arm aches. And I'm just like... and then I just end up going like that, and it's just like kind of thing. I am just rambling on. I think I'm just rambling because I haven't vlogged in ages. I'm standing in the bathroom vlogging. It's weird. Anyway, I'm having a shower. Hello. Again, Ree has just curled my hair, and look how well she's done, considering it's her first time ever doing it. I think she did really well. I can't see anything. I think she done really well just standing at the mirror. I found another bit.
Oh no.
It's because I moved my hair.
Where is it?
Here.
No, it is just curled at the top.
Yeah, but this bit isn't. That's what I'm saying.
Come here.
But it looks really awesome. How awesome does this look, you guys?
Don't record me, I could be doing it wrong. This is how I'm doing it anyway. Ba-bam!
See? It's like beautiful. I love it.
Maybe hair is more natural.
Yeah.
I do like doing hair.
What do you say about your hairstyle?
Oh my gosh! My hair's growing out, do not judge. I made a mistake and I cut it. It looks nice when it was cut. I'm just going to back Alice band it. Because it looks ugly. At the moment.
So, what you saying? Boom! What did you say? Oh, you've stopped the music.
Yeah. You've only just noticed.
Yeah. Anyway, what you saying about my hairstyle, Mrs. Ree?
I'm so sorry. It's because I've just gulped my 7-Up drink.
Anyway, she's so excited that she was able to do it, even if she doesn't look like it. Dance, 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 Ree. You're meant to be dancing.
Did I see
Dance,
Mum
dance.
say Fran? Fran? No, I see little rats outside. Are you still vlogging?
Yes, I was going like that. I am playing Tomb Raider.
Oh yes.
What are you doing, you dick? Come on. Oh my god. I didn't bring myself up. I mean, that really didn't do that much.
Just because you're doing it wrong. So you've done that, right? Now hit one green thing at the same time as the other one behind it. Down, down, there, up. You're welcome. There you are.
Take care. I totally forgot to end the vlog last night, so really sorry about that. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.